This is the divine message for you. Always remember of who you are. You are a dependable individual with a strong will and patience. Keep your patience because a person carries this energy goes a long way in life. One of your strong qualities is your ability to observe things, which allows you to stay one step ahead of everyone. So, focusing on yourself rather than comparing yourself to others will yield beneficial outcomes. This new season of your life will bring you something special that will undoubtedly provide you happiness in a way that you had never considered before. You have the power to help yourself, and change begins with you. Use your hand to give helpless people hope. God made everything in pairs. A pair of feet to help you walk through your difficulties. Also, a yin and yang in everything. That is why there is a both wonderful and a bad day, a win and a loss. So, begin to be the change you want to see. It starts with you.